Alright guys, so my truck was dead, so I put new batteries in, waited 8 hours, nothing. So I come in here and try to start, nothing. So I looked up, you have to disconnect the negative batteries, the negative on both batteries for 15 minutes to disable the anti-theft. I waited 15 minutes, put it back on, fired right up. So after you change the batteries on these F350s, this is a 2019 F350, you gotta bypass, reset the anti-theft. What a pain, but I got it going. Saved a lot of money. Peace.